If you're thinking about getting into affiliate marketing after watching your favorite creator tell you how much money they made, hold on, I'm going to show you the reality for a small creator right now. Hey everyone, what's going on? I'm Eddie Garrison and welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to master your social media marketing, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. For a lot of creators out there, monetizing your YouTube channels, Facebook pages, or even your Instagram account can be a long way off. But don't worry, there are a lot of different ways you can generate revenue from these platforms without being monetized. And we're going to talk about one of those ways in this video. Enter affiliate marketing. Now, this may be a new term to some of you out there, so if you've never heard of it before or just not familiar with it, affiliate marketing works like this. Say you have a tech channel and you're reviewing certain pieces of gear you're using to create your content. If you're an affiliate marketer for that brand, you then post a link that's unique to you to their product, and if someone purchases that product from your link, you get a kickback or commission from that company. And honestly, it's that simple. Now, there are a few ways you can get into affiliate marketing. One of which is to check a brand's website to see if they offer one directly you can sign up for right then and there. Or, what the majority of people do, myself included, is to sign up for the Amazon affiliate program. So, what exactly is the Amazon affiliate program? The Amazon Associates program is an affiliate marketing program that allows website owners, bloggers, YouTubers, or social media influencers to earn money from Amazon by recommending products. Once you've been approved for an Amazon Associate account, you can recommend any product on your blog, YouTube channel, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or any other medium and earn a commission. Just one note here, the Amazon Affiliate Program and Amazon Associate Program are basically the same thing. So if you hear me say either one of these in this video, don't worry, they're the same exact thing. Basically how the Amazon Affiliate Program works is that you sign up for it on their website. You'll be taken to the Associates Central website where you can search products you want to post affiliate links for on your social media channels, and that's about it. Now, the beauty of this program is that no matter if they order the product you're posting about, if that person stays on Amazon and makes any purchase without leaving, you get credit for that sale. Pretty sweet, right? It can be, but of course, there are some things that people neglect to tell you when they're telling you how great it is or how much money they made from it. Number one, not everyone is accepted into the program. Now, I don't care what anybody else has told you. This is entirely accurate. Not everyone will be accepted into the Amazon affiliate program. They do have criteria that you must meet to be accepted. And that process can take up to a few months, like it did in my case. I initially signed up for the Amazon affiliate program on October 20th of 2019. And you can start posting affiliate links right away with no issues. However, if you aren't accepted into the program, your links are cut off and you're basically done from that point on. Also, and maybe the biggest criteria for some to make, is that you have to produce at least 3 qualified sales with 180 days of signing up to avoid termination of your associate account. There is also a website review process of your website you submitted with your registration form. A specialist will go over for acceptance into the program after they've established you have referred the necessary qualified traffic to Amazon. For me, this entire process took 4 months. So, as you remember, I said I applied for the Amazon affiliate program on October 20th of 2019. I received my acceptance email on February 25th of 2020. So yeah, basically 4 months. Now let's jump into the overall purpose of this video with the reality of earning money from the Amazon affiliate program. Now, the only issue I have with others that do videos like these is that they're showing you this from their situation. They may have 10,000, 50,000, or 100,000 followers or subscribers. Most of us, well, just don't. So their views and reporting of income generated from Amazon affiliate marketing looks great, but aren't very relatable to the average creator out there. So I'm going to show you what my income looks like from the Amazon affiliate program for the year so far. As you can see, obviously I don't come anywhere close to most of the videos you've probably seen on this subject. And here's why. I have 351 subscribers on YouTube, 390 likes on Facebook, and 2,114 followers on Twitter. In the grand scheme of things, not the biggest following out there. Not bad, but obviously not the numbers of, say, someone that has 100,000 subscribers or followers on YouTube and social media. But again, their numbers from this program aren't relatable to most of you watching this video, so they don't give you an accurate representation of what to expect when you're just starting out. I believe mine will. But let's jump into those numbers. For the year 2020, so far I've generated $21.81 of revenue from the Amazon affiliate program. That revenue came by the way of 1,185 clicks on affiliate links I posted that generated 10 orders totaling $435.79 in sale for Amazon, of which 8 have shipped. Now, you don't get paid until those orders ship. Remember that. So, take that $435.79 I made for Amazon and divided it by the $21.81 I made from affiliate links, and you come to the grand total of being paid at a rate of about 5%. Now, obviously, those numbers can rise or fall depending on how dedicated you are to posting your affiliate links to your social media channels or how many people watch your YouTube videos and click the links in your video description. Look, I'm not saying you can't be as successful as some of the bigger channels or names out there with this program. Not at all. All I'm saying is don't expect to be making thousands and thousands of dollars right from the get-go just because your favorite YouTuber said they were. You're not them or have their following. This takes time, dedication, and obviously a bigger following than you probably have right now. And that's okay. Your followers will come over time. What this program does do is allow you to begin to make extra revenue from simply posting links to your YouTube channel and other social media accounts. And I'm all for that anytime. To learn even more about mastering your social media marketing, make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.